In this video, you are going to learn how you can create the viral thumbnails using the AI fast and easy. So here I am using this AI tool and you can see I have tested with a lot of the thumbnails here and you can see the quality is unmatched here. So I have just uploaded my few of the images in the my model section and it has created a digital avatar of me with my face in the different outfits with the different angles with the different atmosphere here. And right now what I can do, because this AI is trained some of my pictures, my face and the some of the really good details here, I can go to the photo generator, I can use its generate thumbnail feature and here I have to just give it out the link of the that video I want to clone the thumbnail here. Okay, for example, right now I have found out this thumbnail is really actually good here. So this is the YouTube. Suppose you have the any of the creators thumbnails find encouraging and you want to create a something similar thumbnail for you as well. So what you can do, simply get the that video link here. I got the link of this video here. You can see this is the thumbnail. Okay, so I want to create something like this, so I have just got the link. I will simply paste the link here and now what I can do, I have to just first select the model here. You know, I have created and trained the model some of my pictures, so this is the my model here. I have selected that and then we have the two options available. Whether I want to simply swap the face in that thumbnail or I want to inspire and create the new thumbnails that is reference from that pasted link. Okay, so I will go with the create the thumbnail with a similar style and then I will select this some of the variations. I will go with the 3 variations and then here I can select whether I want the landscape, that is the 16:9 ratio, or that is the portrait for the shorts. I will go with the landscape and click here on the clone thumbnail. Now it will start analyzing the thumbnail that I have given via the link and then it will create this similar style thumbnail for me but with my own face here. So that is the power of this AI tool here. So right now it is working out and it can take some time. So while it is taking time, let me give you some of the features overview of this tool here. So this is the headshotly.ai, one of the really crazy tool for the AI images, the thumbnail creations, or you want to create the any kind of image with your own face or any of your person's model face, you can do that. It has the crazy features available. Let me tell you again the crazy features. You have to just train its AI with your images and once that is done, you will create your model here and you have to simply go to the model. It will give you some of the images generated with your face and that are looking absolutely dope here. Amazing detail with your own faces. Yeah, I have find out some of the really crazy, some like this one. You can see I cannot differentiate whether it's actually me or the AI generated here. That is the power of this tool. So once you have done that, you have to just go to the photo generator here and in the photo generator we have lot of the ways we can generate the images of us. Like I can create the headshots, I can create thumbnails and I will give you demo once the thumbnails are generated. I can just virtually try on different clothes on me without leaving the home. Okay, that is actually great feature. Then I can create the team photos, I can create the social media photos and there's also the image enhancer here. Okay, and if you will go to the explore feature, there you will find out so many images and if you want to create any of these one with your face, you have to simply click here on the prompt and it will give you the prompt that you can copy and then go to the image generator and just use any of these ones and then your image will be generated. So you can see my thumbnails are generated here. So first let me show you what is the original thumbnail here. So this is the original thumbnail. Okay, and now this is the thumbnail it has generated for me. You can see this is my own face. Let me check out the different one. You can see, yeah, I know that is the some of the still needs requirement and let me give you the here's the cheat code. You need to just simply copy the image here and once you have done that, you can do any of the changes. Simply go to the Google AI Studio here, okay? And this is absolutely free. You can use here Google Banana and here I am going to show you that the changes how you can do that. Suppose you want to change the this cloth color. Right now it's the white. I want to make it something like the light blue, purple. I want to change the idea to the like anything more word. I want to change this logo here. I want to change the screenshot of this phone here. I can do that everything here. Okay, so once my face is done here, I can go to the Nano Banana and I can simply just click here on the explore Nano Banana. I will select the Nano Banana free model here. Okay, if you are going to pro, you need the API. Okay, and now what I can do, I can just simply ask here like edit this image. Okay, and edit this image. Okay, and I have uploaded my image here. Okay, and now I can just give the command like replace idea word to my app. Okay, so this is the word I want to change here, and simply click here on the enter, and now it is going to change the idea word to the this word, that is the my app to app. I know this is the just random word I have added, but you are getting the thing that I am showing you right now these days what I am using to generating thumbnails for my videos. And actually these thumbnails are getting the pretty good click-through rate. Normally I got the 2 to 3%, but here I am getting the 3x more CTR compared to my normal videos here. Okay, so I have given the prompt here, and it can take some time, and once it is done I will show you the results here. So this is absolutely mind-blowing just workflow I have given you. You can see this is here right now. You can see there's the spelling mistake here, and you can just solve it just giving the more exact prompt here. You can solve it, but this is just roughly idea you got that you can do any changes in your thumbnail here once you just got the thumbnails with your face. So this is the power of this AI tool, and with using and combining with the Nano Banana, you are absolutely killing it. Okay, so this platform I have just tested out so many thumbnails here. You can see all these thumbnails I have generated. Look at out this one. Okay, check out this one here, absolutely good here. Look out this one here. Okay, you can see I have just generated so many thumbnails here. So I have done that using the headshotly.ai, and right now this tool is available on the app Sumo with the lifetime deal. So you don't have to pay the any monthly or the yearly subscription charges. By the way, you can also try it absolutely free with the free trial, but that will not give you the its premium features access. You need the its premium feature that you can get the lifetime deal here. So simply I will give the link in the description that you can just click and got to this lifetime deal page here. So its price is starting from the pretty much really affordable, that is the $69, and this is the one-time payment you have to pay, and you can generate the 4K images, whether it's your headshot, whether it's your virtual images, whether it's your thumbnails. You can just generate anything here. So if I go to its pricing section, you can check it out. We have the multiple tier plans available, and every tier plan can give you the 50 or credits or the higher credits here. So I got the highest plan here, and the higher plan also can give you the editing of the thumbnail here. For example, if I go to here and select any of the image here, there is the option you can find to change the anything done here. Okay, there's the also a video generator option available that is not accessible. Let me tell you, it is not accessible. It is going to redirect to it's a platform that can help you generate the videos. So this platform is only for the generating the images here, and my most of the thing I am using right now for generating the thumbnails here. So this thing I think you should also know about this tool here. So that's all for today's video I want to talk about. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to stay updated. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one. If you want to know more about the AI and the SaaS tool, just subscribe this channel here.